Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Drex. So today let's talk about your first program with Python. Actually, your first program is actually going to be using a print function to print out some things on the terminal. So to print out some things on the terminal, you have to use the function called print, and you have to start with print, then your parentheses, then your double quote or single quote, then whatever you want to print. You can something like hello world. And we run this. Here hello world. So we can create multiple of these. Print my name is Jackson. Print I love ice. You can see it print out both the three of them here, print out all of them here. So that's how you simply work with print function in Python. It's just a very short tutorial on how to start coding with Python, so you can have more of this. Print see that. And this is actually the way you print in Python. And you can also print out numbers like print. But when you're printing out number, you have to print out, you don't have to put codes there. Just print it out directly. Print 5 plus 2 plus 4. That's 9. Also print 9 minus 3. Print 8 divided by 2. And last one, print 10 multiplied by 4. And see our answers here. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial with us. Stay connected to us as we release more videos on Blender tutorial. You are going to be learning Blender from the basics, very scratch of it, then to being a master programmer using Python. Thank you very much.